Best sewing machine. Looking for the best sewing machine for your next project? In this video, we're checking out some of the top options for beginners, home sewing, quilting, and everyday projects. From simple, easy-to-use machines to feature-packed computerized models, each one offers something different. We'll compare their key features, performance, versatility, and overall design to help you find the right fit for your sewing needs. So if you're ready to upgrade your sewing setup or buy your first machine, let's jump right in and find the best sewing machine for you. Number 5. Singer 4423 Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. Color: gray. Weight: 17.1 pounds. Category: Heavy Duty Sewing Machine. If you're looking for a sewing machine that can handle everyday projects as well as heavier fabrics, the Singer 4423 is worth a look. This gray heavy-duty machine is designed with a metal interior frame, which gives it a stable feel while sewing. One of its standout features is the 23 built-in stitches, offering 97 stitch applications for basic, decorative, and functional sewing. There's also an automatic needle threader, which can make setup a little easier, especially when threading the needle manually becomes frustrating. The machine can reach speeds of up to 1,100 stitches per minute, and Singer says its motor provides extra piercing power for thicker seams. That makes it particularly useful for projects involving heavier fabrics. You also get a practical accessory kit with several presser feet, bobbins, needles, a seam ripper, screwdriver, and other essentials, plus a soft-sided dust cover. One limitation is that this is a corded 120-volt machine, so it's designed for compatible electrical setups rather than portable use. Overall, the Singer 4423 looks like a solid choice for home sewers who want speed, versatility, and a sturdy heavy-duty design. Number 4. Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 Sewing Machine. Color: white, Quantum Stylist. Weight: 7 kilograms. Category: Computerized Sewing and Quilting Machine. If you want a sewing machine that gives you a lot of creative control, the Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 brings an impressive set of options to the table. It's a computerized sewing and quilting machine built for everything from everyday sewing to more detailed creative projects. What really stands out is the huge selection of 600 built-in stitches and 1,172 stitch applications. You can choose from essential, stretch, and decorative stitches, while mirror imaging and stitch elongation give you more ways to customize your designs. The 9960 also makes setup easier with an automatic needle threader and a top drop-in bobbin with a transparent cover. You can keep an eye on the thread level without constantly checking underneath. For quilting and larger projects, the Start/Stop button lets you sew without using the foot pedal, and adjustable speed control gives you more precision. The machine also includes 13 presser feet, a large extension table, and a hard dust cover. The main thing to consider is its complexity. With so many functions, beginners may need some time to learn everything. Overall, the Quantum Stylist 9960 is a versatile choice for sewers and quilters who want plenty of stitch variety and computerized control. Number 3. Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine. Color: blue. Weight: 2.2 pounds. Category: Mini Portable Sewing Machine. Looking for a simple sewing machine that doesn't take up much space? The Magicfly Mini Sewing Machine is designed with beginners and basic household sewing in mind. One of its biggest advantages is portability. At just 2.2 pounds, it's easy to move around and store when you're finished. It can run from an AC or DC power source, and it can also operate on batteries for wireless use. There's a button and an included foot pedal, giving you 2 ways to start sewing. Another helpful feature is the dual speed setting. You can choose between a slower or faster sewing speed depending on how comfortable you are. The threading direction is also marked directly on the machine, which can make getting started less confusing for beginners. The included kit adds some useful extras, including bobbins, needles, scissors, a tape measure, seam ripper, thimble, threader, and an extension table. The table can provide extra stability when working on larger projects. There are some clear limitations, though. It has only one fixed stitch type and does not include a reverse function, so it's better suited to simple sewing tasks than advanced projects. Overall, the Magicfly Mini is a compact and beginner-friendly option for basic household sewing and small projects. Number 2. Brother XR 9550 Computerized Sewing Machine. Color: white. Weight: 10.1 pounds. If you want a sewing machine that gives you plenty of stitch choices without making the controls overly complicated, the Brother XR9550 is an interesting option. It combines computerized controls with features designed for both sewing and quilting. The machine comes with 165 built-in stitches. That includes utility, decorative, and heirloom options, along with 55 alphanumeric stitches and 8 styles of automatic buttonholes. You can select your preferred stitch and settings using the LCD screen, which keeps the process straightforward. For setup, the automatic needle threader can save time, while the top drop-in bobbin is designed to be convenient and jam-resistant. The XR9550 also comes with 8 sewing and quilting feet, a wide table for larger projects, and a protective hard cover. Another useful advantage is Brother's included technical support, available online, through live chat, or by phone for the life of the machine. One important limitation is that this model is intended for sale and use in the US at 120 volts, so it may not be suitable for other electrical systems. Overall, the Brother XR9550 looks like a versatile choice for beginners and experienced users who want computerized controls, a broad stitch selection, and useful quilting accessories. Number 1. Singer M3330 Beginner Sewing Machine. Color: metallic blue. Weight: 11.8 pounds. Category: beginner sewing machine. For anyone just getting into sewing, the Singer M3330 offers a straightforward setup without feeling too basic. Its metallic blue design gives it a nice look, while the heavy-duty metal frame adds stability during everyday sewing. You get 23 built-in stitches with 97 stitch applications, covering useful options for basic repairs, decorative work, stretch fabrics, and other household projects. The stitch selection dial also keeps choosing a stitch simple, which is helpful when you're still learning the basics. Setup is made easier with a built-in needle threader and a one-step buttonhole feature. The front-loading bobbin and snap-on presser feet are also designed to make routine changes less complicated. Another practical feature is the free arm, which helps when working on cuffs, sleeves, and hems. There's also bright LED lighting and a 5.7-inch sewing space for better visibility and room to work. The included accessories are a strong bonus, with general purpose, buttonhole, button sewing and zipper feet, along with needles, bobbins, a seam ripper, screwdriver, and other tools. Overall, the M3330 looks like a practical choice for beginners who want useful stitch variety, simple controls, and a sturdy design for everyday sewing.